The word we'll be learning in this section is shonin, which you will often hear in contexts like business transactions or in historical settings to refer to traders. The word shonin means shonin. This refers to a merchant or a trader, someone who is involved in commercial activities like buying and selling goods. The first kanji means commerce and trade, the idea of buying and selling. You see it in words like shobai, where it points to running a business, and in shoten, where it marks a place of trade, a shop. It often brings the flavor of transactions and merchants when it appears in compounds. The second kanji means a person or people, the most basic idea of human being. In jinko, it contributes the meaning of people to form population. And in ninki, it helps mean people's favor, so it becomes popularity. This kanji therefore often tells you the word relates to persons or groups of people. There are many merchants in this town. この町には商人が多いです。この町には商人が多いです。Merchants have the spirit of a merchant. 商人は商人魂を持っています。商人は商人魂を持っています。The merchant thinks about strategies. 商人は戦略を考えます。商人は戦略を考えます。That merchant has an entrepreneurial spirit. あの商人は商人精神を持っている。あの商人は商人精神を持っている。The most common synonyms of the word shonin are 販売者 and 貿易商. 販売者 specifically focuses on the role of selling goods, while 貿易商 emphasizes trading, often involving international goods. Both share the core idea of dealing with goods, but differ in their specific areas of focus. The most common antonyms of the word shonin are 労働者. 労働者 refers to a worker as opposed to someone focused on trade or business, highlighting the difference between commerce and labor work.